Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn on professional mode on your Facebook. So let's get started. First, open Facebook, then tap on three line dot in your phone. Then tap on settings. Here you will see turn on professional mode option. Then click on and tap to update your profile settings. Then if your profile locked, then unlock your profile. Unlock your profile and okay. Update your profile. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.